Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you're getting the highest amount for your investment? Hi, I'm Susie Stewartson.
And I'm John Buick, both proudly representing the Summit team. Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test. We've sold lots of homes, so we know what we're talking about. Here we go. When you walk up to the home, does it have curb appeal, such as fresh landscaping? Is the lawn lavish and green or yellow and crispy? It might need a bit of mulch, fresh flowers, plants or trees, new trim or door paint, or even possibly a new paint job. You need to hire a real estate professional who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings and telling you what to do.
Have you done the 3 Ds, decluttered, depersonalized, and deep cleaned? And I mean really deep cleaning. Baseboards, cabinets, light fixtures, scuff marks, soap scum, and more. Yes, these things matter. And are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched the holes, painted the front door and trim? Hey, unprofessional paint jobs with mismatched paint does not qualify for selling for top dollar, at least not in this market.
Do you have neutral carpets that are clean, or are they 10 years old that have been cleaned 15 times, and once it rains or people walk over them a few times, well, the truth comes out. This is not going to cut it to get top dollar.
Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? Or have you updated them? What about your lot? Does your lot compare to the one that is up the street?
You see, all of this matters, and this is a big one, the smell test. Oh my God, I'm sure you don't realize this, but did you know most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know it sounds unpleasant, but it's true.
You know, we love pets. In fact, Matisse goes everywhere with us, and the horses, well, let's just say, their aroma is quite unique. We consider them family. But if we were to list our home, we'd have to Febreze like crazy. You see, Matisse, and we love him, had peed on our throw rugs and the horses poop like nobody's business. So when we sell, we have to make changes so that we can pass the smell test.
What about cooking? Do you cook with spices that only you are used to? But if someone else came over, it would smell like a fish fry. Again, that's a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to the competition? I mean, everyone, including me, thinks that we have the best home on the block. I mean, listen, we put in Spanish tiles with brown grout in our bathroom several years ago. Lessons learned. It's memorable, but this is not measuring up to our competition.
Is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows to the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably would look better in grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. We're just trying to help.
When you look out the window, are you looking at your neighbor showering, or is there an open space? Foothills or waterfront? Yes, believe it or not, looking at your neighbor's butt crack or hearing them yell over who gets to pick what to watch on TV tonight isn't quite as desirable as having an open view.
So we challenge you, take the quiz and get a scale from 1 to 10 to see if you're ready to put your home on the market right now and sell it for top dollar. P.S. Most of us need to make a few changes. Oh my God, if we were to sell our house, we'd have a honey-do list for days.
For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are your trusted real estate experts with the Summit team, here to provide you with the experience, expertise, and excellence you deserve in Wheat Ridge in Arvada, Colorado. We can't wait to see you next time. And here's to a successful home selling journey.